Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Haribol.
Okay, what's your good name?
Braja Premadas. I belong to Sydney, Australia. So material life is full of suffering. In the spiritual world, every word is a song, every day is a festival, and every step is a dance. In this age of Kali, the only way is to chant the holy names of the Lord to make spiritual advancement. Kotai go prema mayi radhe 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 go jaya radhe radhe prema dako vilasini radhe radhe Arasika Shiromani Radhe Radhe. Don't give up on the Indian culture. The Indian culture is best. The most brilliant culture in the whole of creation.
Can you recite any shlok of Bhagavad Gita?
Sarva Daman Parityajya Mam Ekam Sharanam Vraja Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayishami Ma Suchaha.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है गौतम और इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ वृंदावन में। वृंदावन में मैं लगातार आपको विभिन्न प्रकार के साधु संत महात्मा तपस्वी साधकों के साथ संवाद श्रृंखला दिखाता हूँ। इससे पहले मैं आपको कुंभ में तमाम तरीके के नागा साधु, विदेशी साधु, उनके साथ संवाद श्रृंखलाएं दिखा रहा था। और उसी श्रृंखला में आज हमारे साथ एक विदेशी नागरिक हैं। आप देखेंगे कि एक आध्यात्मिक परिकल्पना देखने के बाद इनको आपके मन में विकसित होगी। इनका क्या नाम है, पहले क्या नाम था, किस देश से हैं, कब आए हैं, कब से जुड़े हैं भारतीय संस्कृति से और कब तक भारत में रहने का इरादा है। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, वेलकम।
Thank you so much, dear sir. We really love it here in Sri Vrindavan Dham. We're very grateful to all the Brijvasis. We're very thankful to all of the wonderful devotees here who provide such wonderful prasadam. We're grateful for the mercy of the flowers. They say one of the opulences of Vrindavan is the flowers. So essentially it's extreme humble gratitude. Trinadapi sune chena taro api sahishnuna amadina manadina kirtanaya sadahadi. So thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street and becoming more tolerant than a tree, then one can continually associate with Lord Chaitanya. Essentially, this age of Kali is Kali Yuga, and we know Harinama, Harinama, Harinama eva kevalam, Kalo nasyeva, nasyeva, nasyeva gatiranyata. In this age of Kali, the only way is to chant the holy names of the Lord to make spiritual advancement. So,
हरि नाम एव केवलम, हरि नाम ही एक रास्ता है, ऐसा इनका कहना है। What's your good name?
Braja Premadas.
Braj Premadas.
Yes.
Who gave you this beautiful name, Braj Premadas?
My Diksha Guru is His Holiness Indrajumna Swami Maharaj.
You belongs to which country?
I belong to Vrindavan. The soul is eternally in Vrindavan. The body was born in Sydney, Australia. So
सिडनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया। मैंने पूछा कि किस देश से हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा मैं तो वृंदावन से ही हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी जो आत्मा है वो वृंदावन में ही पैदा हुई है, वृंदावन में ही उसका जागरण हुआ है, आत्म जागरण। आजकल लोग आत्म और अध्यात्म के जागरण में पैर पीछे कर लेते हैं, लेकिन उनका कहना है कि आत्म जो जागृति हुई है वो वृंदावन में हुई है, इसलिए मैं बिलोंग वृंदावन से करता हूँ। लेकिन हाँ, बॉडी की अगर बात करेंगे तो वो सिडनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मैंने भौतिक जन्म लिया है। एंड व्हाट अट्रैक्टेड यू टुवर्ड्स द इंडियन कल्चर, बिकॉज यू बॉर्न इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सिडनी?
Essentially, our whole source of inspiration is Srimad Bhagavatam. It's a very beautiful literature with so many translations. And His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada, translated that into English. And so I was greatly fortunate after reading the first canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Essentially, Prabhupada emphasizes the fact that we have to have culture and philosophy, because culture without philosophy is sentimental, and then philosophy without culture is mental speculation. So the culture of essentially the Indian culture is the most brilliant culture in the whole of creation, because it comes straight from Krishna. The first person was Lord Brahma, and then so we are in that disciplic line of the Brahma, Madhva, Gaudiya, Vaishnava Sampradaya. So the culture is very important. to have that culture of worshipping Krishna, and really understanding that everyone is a servant of Krishna. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says that beautiful statement, Jivera Swarupahaya Krishnera Nityadas.
You described about Krishna, you described about Indian culture, philosophy, but what are those elements of Indian culture and philosophy that you like most?
Okay. So what do I like most? Essentially, just chant, dance, and take prasadam. So those are the three most attractive parts of Indian culture. So the chanting, and there's so much variety. If you go to one temple, there's a different style of rag. There's a different style of music altogether. And there's beautiful dancing, there's beautiful chanting, and the prasadam. Food is the most brilliant, especially in northern India. And so everything is more brilliant in India.
एवरीथिंग इज़ ब्रिलियंट इन इंडिया। भारत की जो संस्कृति का इनको सबसे अच्छा अंग लगता है वो ये कि भजन करो, भगवान के भक्तिमय नृत्य करो और फिर प्रसाद पाओ। ये आपको सबसे अच्छा लगता है। व्हेन यू फर्स्ट टाइम केम टू इंडिया?
I first came to India in 2012. So it was for Kartik. It was in Sri Mayapur Dham. So essentially, that was my first visit to India, and I was very much attracted to Mayapur Dham. Srila Prabhupada is the Acharya, or great leader. That means we follow his example. He set a great example in household life, in brahmachari life, in Vanapras life, and finally taking sannyas, or the renounced order of life.
Since which year you are connected with Indian culture?
So essentially, it was I was 19 years of age. In 1999, there was a Harinam party at Bondi Beach. His Holiness Indri Drumna Swami came to Bondi Beach and distributed food and prasadam. And so essentially, I was aware of Indian culture right from birth. My mother was into yoga and cooking vegetarian foods. So, yeah, quite a long time.
Okay, it was a long time since being you are not directly but indirectly connected to Indian culture.
That I have my plan, you have your plan. Whatever Krishna wants will come to pass.
Can you please sing any bhajan?
Kotai go prema mayi Radhe 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 go jaya Radhe Radhe Prema dako vilasini Radhe Radhe Rasika shiromani Radhe Radhe Vrindavana vilasini Radhe Radhe Vrishubhanu nandini Radhe Radhe Kota go prema mai Radhe Radhe.
कितना अच्छा गा रहे हैं। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सिडनी के रहने वाले एक नागरिक इतना अच्छा हिंदी भजन गा रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा भारतीय संस्कृति के बारे में समझा रहे हैं। as I can see that you are in dhoti, you are in kurta, you are in this totally Indian dress up, but Indian people are following the Western culture. They are going towards the West. They are following West. What message you want to convey to those people those who are not respecting their own culture, those who are not respecting their own Indian philosophy?
Prabhupada said that people born in India have Krishna running through their veins. So you just have to scratch the surface and then Krishna is underneath. So essentially, we have to know conclusively that the Indian culture is the best. It's our whole purpose of this human existence, Atata Brahma Jigyasa, to understand the supreme Brahman is Krishna. So essentially, we want to get out of this material situation and go back home, back to Godhead. And the quickest way to do that is to please Krishna by dressing in the attire that he likes, by dressing in the attire that our spiritual master and Guru Parampara like. So essentially, don't give up on the Indian culture. The Indian culture is best, for sure.
Indian culture is best. What difference you experience between the materialistic life and spiritual life? What is your own experience about both these?
So material life is full of suffering. It's explained dukkhalyam ashashvatam. All suffering in material life. Srila Prabhupada said it's like chewing the chewed. So everything in the material world has already been chewed. However, in the spiritual world, everything is ever fresh. In the spiritual world, every word is a song, every day is a festival, and every step is a dance. So this is the nature of the spiritual world. It's so beautiful, it's so wonderful. Everything is sweet. Madhuradi paterakilam madhuram. Everything is sweet about Krishna. Everything is sweet. In the spiritual world, it's explained there's kalpavriksha trees where you can pray for a bicycle. Unlimited desires can be fulfilled in the spiritual world. Whereas in the material world, the resources are finite and decreasing. In the spiritual world, the resources are infinite and increasing.
तो ये अध्यात्म और यही भौतिकता में अंतर है, दोनों में यही अंतर है जो स्पष्ट कर रहे हैं. लास्ट, कैन यू रिसाइट एनी श्लोक ऑफ भगवद गीता टू कन्वे अ मैसेज by making it example to
the shloka that Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur said to Srila Prabhupada at Radhakund is Sarva Dhaman Parityajya Mam Ekam Sharanam Vraja Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayishami Ma Suchaha. Abandon all varieties of religion, surrender unto me, I will protect you from all impious actions. Do not fear. So it's really important on the stage of Bhagavad Gita to surrender to Krishna. So the surrender is there for Krishna, and it's ekam, number one, mam ekam. So Krishna is saying, only unto him surrender. Vraja, the king of Vraja, sarvadhamma parityaja mam ekam sharanam vraja.
सर्वधर्म परित्याजा मम एकम शरणम राजा. सभी तरीके के ये जितने भी संप्रदाय, मत, मजहब, इन सभी चीज़ों में लोग फंसे हुए हैं, इसको छोड़िए और मेरी शरण में आइए. मैं आपको सत्य का मार्ग दिखाऊंगा. अस्तोमा सदगमया तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमया. इसका भाव, इसका संदेश, और यही संदेश दे रहे हैं. पहले क्या नाम था?
Miles Stephen Stanhope Winter.
काफ़ी बड़ा नाम है जो इनका भौतिक जीवन का नाम था, और अब इनका नाम व्रज प्रेम दास है. लास्ट, एनी अनदर हिंदी भजन?
Hindi bhajan. Radha Julana Padoro Juke Aye Bajara Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol.
तो ये व्रज प्रिय दास जो सिडनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के रहने वाले हैं, ये आपको कैसे लगे? इनकी बातें आपको कैसी लगी? इनकी आध्यात्मिक संदेश आपको कैसा लगा? इनका ये जीवन, जो सादा जीवन, सहज जीवन, उत्तम जीवन, सर्वश्रेष्ठ जीवन, आध्यात्ममय जीवन, और इनकी वेशभूषा आप देखेंगे तो प्योर सनातनी, प्योर इंडियन कल्चर वाली इनकी ड्रेसअप है. प्योरली इनका जो जीवन है वो आध्यात्मिक जीवन है. इनके जीवन की कौन सी बात आपको सबसे अच्छी लगी? इनके जीवन की कौन सी बात आपको सबसे प्रभावित करने वाली लगी? आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएंगे. आज की इस आध्यात्मिक चर्चा में इतना ही. फिर मिलेंगे किसी नए साधक, किसी नए साधु के साथ. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. नमस्कार.